All right, people. This is Mass Effect out here, and we're going to talk about things that you probably want to know about. And if you didn't know you wanted to know about them, Jovetta's going to make sure you go, oh, wow, I didn't know that. So my partner, Jovetta, say hello, Jovetta.
Hello.
She's going to talk about her experiences and her travels to Africa and her experiences with the word Akata. Hey, Jovetta, tell us a little bit about you and your experiences in Africa.
Well, I am a priestess of Ifa, a priestess of Obatala, and I go to Nigeria very often, starting from '95 all the way up until the last time I was there was 2016. And I usually go there and stay 3 months, a month, never less than 1 month. So ironically enough, I find that the word Akata is more so used amongst the people born in this country more than it's used to me from the people in West Africa.
What does it use to express?
It's used to express an African that is born outside of America, or some people say it's uniquely a African American thing, but I've learned that it's not. It's any black person that's born outside of West Africa or South Africa or Africa in and of itself.
Okay. And why would someone call someone else an Akata? What is that about?
The original root of the word was just to identify a African person born outside of the continent. From what I found, was created by the Yoruba people, but it's like a pigeon. And
When you say like a pigeon, for those people that might not be able
pigeon is like Creole, or it's like patois. It's when we, as the colorful people that we are, take a word or we create a word to mean something that was not originally a part of the dialect of the people. So, we create a word like Akata, which was not originally a part of the Yoruba language, but it was created to describe someone or someone that was born outside of Africa, a black person born outside of Africa. And people think that it is uniquely an African American word, but I found out from a Ghanaian man by the name of Kwesi that it is to describe anybody that's born outside of West Africa.
Okay, so in your trips to Africa, what was your first experience and what did you think? Did you know what the word meant the first time you heard it?
The first time I heard it was here in America. No, I did not know what it meant. I had to ask someone, like, why are you referring to me as a Hakata? Mm-hmm. And they tried to soften it and say, oh, it's just a person that's described. It's to describe a person, a black person that's born, or an African person that's born outside of Africa. But then I realized that amongst the more uneducated, or the middle to lower class people, they use it to create a separation between themselves and black Americans.
Okay. And
I was never called an Akata in West or South Africa. Never called an Akata in West or South Africa. I've only been called an Akata in America.
Okay, so tell me about that experience.
When I realized that when people here try to use it as a sense of alienation or separation, it's to separate themselves from us, which is something that we in the diaspora, we as a people in the diaspora or in Africa, we suffer from. Because we had to deal with colonialism, and because we deal with the effects of colonialism, we are constantly trying to separate ourselves from one another, when really we have more in common than we don't have in common. We have a lot in common, more in common than we don't have in common. So it's very unnecessary to try to create even a word or a feeling of separation or alienation.
So why are they using this word? What is this word trying to convey? When they use it, what is the purpose of it?
To separate themselves from us. It's the same thing as I'm born in LA and someone's born in New York, so I may have had a better life or a better experience than a person that was born in Mississippi. You know what I mean? So it's to create a separation and an alienation from each other, which is very unnecessary.
All right, so that was our first roll with Mass Effect. Stay tuned.